Well, I was taping trees blowing in the wind, and I had my action camera, and there was some like near I was taking in the backyard, and I didn't even realize that there was we have a forest back there because it's behind us. We live behind the supermarket after the forest. So there was this truck. I think it was an electrician truck. I don't know what kind. I don't know what it was.
Okay.
And it was coming here, and I think somebody was. I think the internet got cut off or something. Kmart, not us, but Kmart, and they had to work on the power lines, in the power pole. It happens. Yeah, nothing goes out. But I don't know why they do that. All right.
Just work down your place, right?
I know. It's just every time it's a little bit. Your voice is a little bit messed up because I can hear your real voice here if you're at my house, but not on the computer. Basically, it's just the internet, the countryside is weird.
Yeah, it's everything's slowing down there. So.
I might have a here. I gotta do something more quick. Hold on. I'll be back. I just wanna do something. I wanna make sure the camera's okay or something. Wow.
That's all right.
I'll be here. I'll be right here until until Lexus comes, and then I'll come back. Is that all right? But if Lexus doesn't come, and if you
I just had to import from one program to another.
yeah.
So. Hey, sunshine.
All right, hold on. Is Alexis here?
No, but we're gonna move ahead.
Yeah. That's what I thought too. Because hold on. I'm coming. Hold on. What? Sorry.
But we need to see his smile in the face.
Oh my God. I know. I'm coming back. Jeepers.
We miss you, Edward.
Hold on. Wow.
What are you doing?
I don't know if I'm gonna take. I think I might take a break.
No, Eddie, go back.
Oh, wow. I'm back. No worries.
I thought maybe you got lost.
No, I was just want to make sure my cameras are fine. That's all.
Okay, so.
Got it.
Mister, the first thing I'm gonna ask you to do is to close that blinds behind you all the way.
All the way.
So that you don't turn around and look, so you can pay attention.
But how about I have a plan. I can close the windows, but you gotta do this.
Is going to get you to close the blinds.
But can you at least do it? Can you at least do this a little bit quickly, please?
Close the blinds.
I have.
Just wasting time now.
I guess, Mr. Brown. There. That's better.
There you go. You're like Superman. Thank you. All right. Now, we're going to go over the steps on this quiz, all right? So,
Hold on.
what's the first step?
There. First step in this equation. What?
Are you ready?
Yes. I'm ready. I'm ready now.
First step is distribute the negative 1, right?
Distribute negative 1.
Okay, so does that affect my first step?
First set of polynomials. We're talking
Yeah,
about.
does that affect it?
No. Wait a minute. 7y plus 5y. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Now distribute the negative 1. So
Okay.
it's basically 7y plus 5y to the 4th plus 3, and then you put in the minus 1. And then you do, yeah, you know what I would do? I tried this in my test. So I would do 7y plus 5y to the 4th plus 3, and it would change the minus sign to a plus instead of like a negative 1, because basically it's the opposite. So I would do that to a plus, and then it would do, I think, so it's negative 1 times 8, it's negative 8y minus 4y to the 4th minus 9y to the 4th. That's what I would do.
Okay. That works for me.
It's 445 here. That's not. Wait, why did you put a parenthesis behind that? 8y, negative 8y.
That just shows that the negative goes with the 8y. If you're going to do that, you have to put a parenthesis around both of them.
But you have to minus. It's minus instead of like. It's not. That's just like for positive. So it's positive 8. It's like 8y plus negative 4y to 4th. It kind of looks like that, but it's not.
That's how you would write it. That's how you would write it, Edward.
Yeah.
Hey.
I know.
I had close the lines because it's not.
That's nice.
I had you close the lines so you wouldn't be turning around looking. Focus.
All right.
So, what's the next directions tell us to do?
Order of degree. So it has to be 7y plus 5y to 4th plus.
Okay, Edward.
What?
What's our highest degree?
All right. Here we go. It's the highest degree is the 4th power, and that's probably it. All the power. So it's 5y to the 4th and minus 4y to the 4th and minus 9y to the 4th. Should have done this earlier, but
That's right. What's the next highest power?
the next highest power is 7y and minus 8y.
Okay, and what's left?
What's left is 3. That's all that's left is 3. We have to
Okay.
we're reviewing 4 problems and that's it. Is that it? Just 4 problems.
Okay, let's work on this one, okay? So, what's the next step?
I just want to know what we're doing. That's all.
What's the next step?
The next step is to combine the like terms. So it's like 5y to the 4th minus 4y to the 4th minus 9y to the 4th. That would be. That's negative 9y to the 4th. No. Wait. Why is it not right?
What's negative 4 and negative 9?
It's 5. It's 5. Oh, 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So. Oh, it's negative 8y to the 4th.
Very good.
Never mind. Yeah, whatever.
9.
I thought I had to be 0.
That gets rid of these 3. What's next?
7y. It's just plus 7y, and then you do it's 7y minus 8y is negative 1y. And then plus 3.
Okay. Okay, on your quiz, you had
Oh, you're talking
an exact answer. So you got this one right on the quiz.
yeah, you had that in the exact answer.
That is your answer on this quiz.
They'll tell me how to change anything.
Well, now, I didn't put down steps on this one. What's your first step for
Oh,
solving that?
because Justin like an example. Yeah. That's just the first one you have to.
So what am I gonna do now?
This method. So, oh, it's the negative one, so it's 5y minus 3 minus 2y to the third, plus negative 7y to the third, plus 4 minus 9y to the fifth.